Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. In the previous episode of the JCL quad motor, we were attempting to put a new stator in. This quad had caught on fire, burned all the electrical components down to the quick. We had this off in the last episode and realized I had the wrong stator, and I tracked down the correct one. So today we're going to pull this stator cover off again, put the correct one in, and proceed with restoring this motor. Let's get started now. While I'm inside here, I'm going to clean all this schmutz out of here. Alright, let's see if we could get this in here. I never did one of this kind before. And let's see what's happening. That's why it didn't fit correctly, because it was in the wrong hole and I wasn't paying attention. Fits right into there. This little rubber bumper stays right there. That's what it does. Alright, let's try that one more time. This little bracket holds all your wires from getting in the way of rotating objects. Holds this in. Holds the other one in. Alright, now we know. Give this a little cranker. Make sure these are tight. And make sure all these wires are pushed underneath there so they don't get in the way. Alright, I'm going to try that again. Does that look better? I think so too. With the stator being put in now, before I put this on, I want to clean this out and the back side of that, and I'm going to go get the other motor that has the starter on it and disassemble the starter and see if it fits with this. And this motor is going to get a final cleaning, and it's going to get painted with duplicolor engine enamel, and the color of this is 1615 aluminum, and it looks purty. I did it on a couple other motors, and in this case it's so bad that it's like stained, and I'm just going to give it one more final scrubbing and some gasoline, and we're going to go ahead and give this a coat of paint. So let's get started with the starter, and that'll probably be in part 3 of JCL burnt quad motor. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Please hit like and subscribe. Have a good day.